Is it anybody who makes noise is the one that tells the truth? Is it when you go to social media or you go to press to begin to shout, it means what you are saying is correct? Then when you don't talk, it means that because you didn't say anything, it means you are wrong. That is not correct. But the man who comes out to the public to shout, it does not mean it's the man that is right. Everybody has his own strategy. Everybody has his own strategy. We have done elections. When people fail, they will rush to television, they will rush to radio houses and begin to shout. So if they begin to say, because they have come to the radio houses, they're going to media houses, means that they are right. No, they'll be wrong. So it depends on your strategy. For me, I'm a due process person. If you don't believe in this, there are rooms to challenge it. There are rooms. And take for example, if you are so influential, look at what happened. What is the result today in all the states on the governorship election, the Labour Party and the rest of them? So it is difficult for anybody to say anybody came out against you to win the election. For Christ's sake, anybody who knows me know. I was opposed to another president, and everybody had me clearly. If I was supposed to be, he knows. What would he do to me? Would he kill me? I will tell my book openly, don't vote for me. For Christ's sake, he can't kill me. So for him to come out and say, Governor Wike came out, is so unfortunate. So unfortunate.
Say that because just not long ago you said that your relevance is dependent on your going home to deliver your state. So if G5 members all couldn't deliver their state, can somebody not?
No, the issue is the issue is, first of all, here is national election, here is local election. Right? At national election, who won? Who won? Presidential candidate from the South. And that is the point we are making. If no presidential candidate from the South won, then you would have held them responsible. Why are you making all this noise? After all, the presidential candidate from the other side is one by one in your state. And I told you here that we didn't say it must be so person. But we said it must be from the South. From the accord from Asaba to Lagos and Enugu, we kept to it. That's the point we're making. So you can't say they're not relevant. Local elections are different thing. Local elections are different thing. You can see what's happening now. If it was national, look at what happened national, nobody complained. But now because it's local election, there are different interests.
I find this interesting.
Yes.
If you were made the vice presidential candidate of your party, would you have still agitated for presidency for the
It
Senate?
would have affected me. It would have affected me. You see, first of all, I told you I never ran an election to be vice presidential candidate.
So you'll have rejected the offer?
Not about rejecting. No, yes, it would have affected me. Not that because the claim was for Southern president. Again, certain things could change because of individual too. Certain things could change because of individual. But if anybody saw that wave that was coming, you knew that, look, the position of Southern presidency. Two, another thing that affected so many things, some people are not comfortable about the Muslim ticket, particularly in the Christian-dominated areas. Particularly in the Christian-dominated areas. And if you watch, practically, the areas that went for Obi are mostly the Christian-dominated areas. And that's the truth of the matter. Apart from the issue of Southern presidency. So it was clear. So all we were doing to say how we can, whittle down what was going on or what would have happened. But our party did not buy that thing. Because our party, you see, they also this dummy that look, the entire North will support their candidates. And if the entire North supports their candidates, it's all over. But that wasn't the case, because the reality has come to Nigerians that want the unity of this country. You mean for the APC governor to have come out openly? After all, did they have the numbers? They have the numbers. But the APC governors came out openly, wrote a letter, particularly those from the north, wrote a letter to Mr. President and the chairman of their party. So listen, we want unity of Nigeria. We want Nigeria to continue as one country. Let us not, because we're in power, continue to say this will continue to be where we are. No, it will not work. For me, I give them that heroic role. Because history, when history is written, they will remember what they have done.
But what extent did you go to achieve this southern presidency? The Labour Party chairman, Comrade Julius Abure, actually accused you of utilizing soldiers to coerce INEC officials and steal ballots after observing that Labour Party was coasting to victory in your state. Did you go that extent?
I don't know who is the Labour Party chairman. I've never met him in my life.
But can you respond generally to
What?
all
Okay, tell me. Let me.
and suppression?
Can they give me the incident of one violent area? You see, it is not good to say violence. We have 22 local governments. We have not less than 7,000 police units.
And INEC official?
No, I'm coming. But turn on presidential. In every allegation I make, even my broadcast yesterday, when I was telling Chibikero to my mate, well, you know the one who was using the army. I have no relationship with the army. I have no relationship. When I have no relationship, I have no relationship about inviting army. I've never appointed a CP in this state. I've never.